real tight hair. Then they started laughing, though that's not cool. Damn, I peed my pants on the first day of school.
It was the moment of truth. What kind of person am I? One who owns up or one who would lie? I looked in their faces and I couldn't hide. I swallowed my pride and I reached deep inside. It's just the rain. It's just the rain. I'm not to blame. It's just the rain.
7th grade started out real strong. Chicken nuggets for lunch. I waited all day long. My new girl Jett said, let's split a dessert. But my usual tables all looking hurt. I knew they'd be bugging. I can't ignore them. They leaned to me and said, you got a new friend?
Crossroads again. Who should I be? The girl who speaks out or the one who's set free? I looked in their faces. So much attention. It's bully prevention and lunchtime detention. It's just the rain. It's just the rain. I'm not to blame. It's just the rain. Our world is turned upside down. I gotta turn my life around. I'm sick of living with this pain. I gotta shake off all of this shame. It's just the rain. It's just the rain. I'm not to blame. It's just the rain.
Home with my baby. You know what we do? Got that TV all loaded with Doctor Who. A weekly tradition. We watch it together. No matter the time, no matter the weather. Boo's so excited to see how it ends. He goes to press play. It reads, watch it again.
Back at the start, I got decisions to make. Admit that I watched it or keep playing it fake. I looked in his face. My memory's hazy. My fingers are lazy. That TV is crazy.